morning, junior kids. Once again, I welcome you all in yet another class, and this is our EVS class, Environmental Studies. And this whole month we are learning about the life underwater. There are so many lives underwater, and we are learning different sea creatures in these classes. We have learned the sea creatures without bones, sea creatures with shells. Today we are going to learn harmful sea creatures. Harmful sea creatures. So before getting into the class, kids, I want to ask you a question. Can you tell me what are the things that we should avoid to do that may be harmful for us? What are the activities that are harmful for us and we should avoid that in our daily lives? Such as playing with a knife in the kitchen, playing with the candles, playing with a lit matchstick, playing with the gas stoves, playing with the sockets, playing with the sharp objects, talking to the strangers, jumping into the water or the swimming pool without your parent, and crossing the road without your parents' help. So all these may be harmful. Why? Because they may harm us in any ways, in one way or other way. These kinds of activities may be harmful for us. In the same way, there are sea creatures that may be harmful for us. Okay, sea creatures that are not safe and are very harmful for us. There are few sea creatures that consider us to be their food and they eat us, like shark and the killer whale. Okay, because they consider us as their food. Not only that, there are sea creatures that have stings on their body, some have thorns in their body, and some have filament in their body that are very poisonous. Okay, and if they prick us, they could harm us. So one need to be very careful and should stay away from these kinds of sea creature. So let's see what are the harmful sea creature. Today we are going to start the class with the puffer fish. Do you know what is this? Puffer fish. You might be thinking usually fish will be in oval shape. This is a puffed fish. So why it is called puffer fish? Because this fish will also be in the will look like the other fish. But if any harm comes near it, or if any enemy comes near this fish, they will puff out their body. Can you see the spines in the body? These spines are very poisonous. Okay, and look at their mouth. It looks like the beak. It doesn't look like other fish. It looks like the beak of the bird, and if anybody goes near it, they will bite our finger from its beak and may remove our finger also. So puffer fish is a harmful sea creature. Next, I am going to show you scorpion fish. So scorpion fish looks like stone. Can you see the texture? When it is in the seabed, we couldn't guess that whether it is a stone or it is a fish. So it looks like stone, and they have poisonous spines in their body. Can you see this one? These are all called spines and they have poison in them. If we step on them, they inject poison, and which is very harmful to humans. That means us. The third one is the stingray fish. This is stingray fish. Stingrays are harmful sea creature. They usually submerged in the seabed. Can you see the seabed? This is the seabed. The floor of the sea is called the seabed. They usually burrowed beneath the sea, and they come out and they swim in the water. And maximum time, what do? They submerge in the sand, and they will be very harmful if some swimmers disturb the stingray fish, or by mistakenly they step on the stingray fish, their stingray will sting they sting on us. They have, look at the tail, it has a tail like thing, and that is called sting. That's why it is called stingray fish. So they sting us with their sting, which is very harmful and it causes terrible pain if they sting us. Okay children, so and not only that, it may cause deep cut and bleeding. So stingray is also one of the harmful sea creature. Next I'm going to show you the hammerhead shark. This is hammerhead shark. So children, you could see the head of this shark. From the head itself, we could come to know that its name has come from the shape of the head. It looks like hammer, isn't it children? It looks like hammer, and they have the eyes on the either side of the head. That helps the hammerhead shark to scan through the water very quickly and very widely than the other sharks. Okay, and their teeth are very impressive. Their teeth are triangular in shape and it is arranged like the edge of the saw blade. Have you seen the saw? The one which is used by the carpenter. They cut the wood that has the blade, no? The teeth of the saw blade is like triangular in shape. In the same way, this hammerhead shark also has the teeth that is triangular in shape. Okay, it is serrated teeth. It's very harmful sea creature. So children, whenever we go for a beach trip or whenever we go for in a seashore, so if we see these kind of sea creatures, we should be very careful. We should be very careful that we should not step on them. So all these sea creatures are harmful sea creatures. The pufferfish has beak like a mouth that may remove our finger or toe if we mistakenly step on them. Scorpionfish looks like spine. If someone steps on it, what does it do? It will inject the poison from the spine. Stingray fish. If someone step on the stingray fish, the stingray fish will sting on our leg with their stings, which may cause the deep cut or the bleeding, and we have terrible pain. Okay, finally we have seen the hammerhead shark. From its head, it has the name has been derived, and they have eyes on the either side of the head that helps the hammerhead shark to scan all around them than the other sharks. Okay, and they have serrated teeth which is triangular in shape like the blades in the sea, blades in the saw. Okay, children. So kids, next let's do the worksheet. So take out your concept worksheet, everyone. So this is the concept worksheet and turn this worksheet. Okay, since we have learned today the harmful sea creatures, we are going to do this worksheet. What instruction is given there? Color the harmful sea creatures. So before doing this worksheet, parent, make sure that you have written kid's name and today's date. Okay. So what are the sea creatures given here? It's blue whale, scorpionfish, seahorse, stingray fish, pufferfish, goldfish. Okay. So what are the harmful sea creatures? Let's see. It's blue whale. So blue whale. Is blue whale harmful sea creature, children? No, blue whale isn't harmful sea creature. Inspired blue whale is the biggest creature on earth. They are mammals, but they are not harmful to humans. Okay. So blue whale isn't harmful. Next, scorpionfish. Scorpionfish is harmful. Yes, it's harmful, as we had seen that scorpionfish has poisonous spines on them. Okay, so color scorpionfish. Seahorse. Is seahorse harmful? No, not at all. Stingray fish. Stingray fish is harmful? Of course, stingray fish is harmful because it stings by their sting and give us a terrible pain. Next, pufferfish. Does pufferfish is harmful? Of course, pufferfish is very harmful to human beings. So color pufferfish. Goldfish? No, goldfish is not harmful. So what are the harmful sea creatures here? We do see scorpionfish, stingray fish, pufferfish. All these are harmful sea creatures. Okay, children. So do color these harmful sea creatures and send it. Take the picture of it and send it in the group. So with this, I am coming to an end of this class. Until I meet you in the next new day. See you and saying bye. Take care.